And tonight might be the first night of the month of Muharram. I don't know yet, but I do know that our Hussain, the waris of Hussain, the one who will now complete his mission, our Imam Zamana now has made his way towards Karbala. You know, usually when you begin a process like this of giving condolences, and we offer our condolences, of course, to Imam Zamana on this night, the amount of emphasis every Imam had after Imam Hussain on this night is very important to understand. The moment the moon of Muharram would be sighted, the energy inside the homes of the Imams would change. When Imam Rada alayhi salam is telling his companion that if you cry for nothing in this world, cry for Hussain. If something bothers you in this world, if you are feeling full of grief, if tragedy has hit you, and you don't know how to get that grief out, simply say, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain, Ya Hussain. Condolences on this night is difficult. I don't know where to start. We go straight to the mother of Imam Hussain, and we tell Shahzadi Kaunain, accept our pursa for the way they treated your son. When Imam Rada alayhi salam is describing Imam Hussain, and these are very hard words, when he describes the idea that they martyred my Jad Hussain like an animal, we have to understand what that means. I remember in my time of Eid al-Adha, I would walk the streets of Qum, and sometimes we end up in an area where there wasn't a lot of buildings, a lot of schools, a lot of farms, and there was a lot of sacrifice being done. We would see animals on the ground being sacrificed, just left on the ground a little bit. Nobody here to ask them about what's happening. Later on, of course, they would worry about them. But there would be this sacrifice where now people would move on now with the process, and the animal would lie there. Nobody would notice. Nobody would ask. No one's out there and make sure the animal is okay. Imam Rada is saying that my Jad Hussain was sacrificed and killed like an animal. He was beheaded and left on the plains of Karbala for 3 days. Not one person asking, Adhan Hussain, this is Hussain. Not one person moving on with their life, getting the qafla ready. For 3 days, the son of Ghadir. For 3 days, the grandson of Mubahila. I always say the sacrifice of Hussain is a maqami sacrifice. It's not that the dhulm was done to Hussain. It's that dhulm was done to Hussain. This was the son of Ali. There's no reason why he should be denied water. This was the son of Fatima. There's no reason why he should have to introduce himself and say, was I a bad mullah? Shimr bin Dhul Joshin on the chest of Hussain. Before that last moment of that heinous act, Imam Hussain is asking him in the most faintest of voices, Shimr, was I a bad mullah to you, Shimr? Did I take your rights away from you, Shimr? On this night, Sayyidah Fatima, accept our condolences. I don't know where to start. 2 minutes and I'm done. Do I go to Ali Akbar and give you portion for Ali Akbar? That Ali Akbar who had enough sense when he fell from the horse. Alayka minni salam, ya abada. That means what? Accept my salam, O Father. He never said assalamu alayka, ya abata, because that would require a response. He knew enough to know, Baba, I'm falling from the horse. I'm sending you my salams, but stay where you are, Baba. Don't come towards me. Do I give you Porsa Ya Fatima for Abul Fazl al-Abbas? That moment now, he has no arms. The musk of Sakina is pouring. My Mawla Abbas stops where he is. He doesn't know what to do. I don't have water for the tent. I don't have arms to fight. Do I give you Porsa Fatima for that moment that my Muslim Mawla fell from his horse on a bed of arrows? Do I give you Porsa for that moment where Umar ibn Saad says 10 different horses line up on one side of Hussein, 5 on one side, 5 on the other. On my command, the horses from the right go towards the left, from the left go towards the right, to the point where one Maloon says, Nafasul Mahmoom, when my horse hit the body of Hussein, I could hear the cracking of the ribs. Matem Hussein, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein.
Hussein.